Hi everyone. Today, I am going to explain an important parallel algorithm called parallel merge sort. Merge sort is a divide and conquer algorithm. Given an input array, it is first divided into two halves. Each half is again divided into smaller parts until individual elements are obtained. After that, pairs of adjacent elements are merged together to form sorted sublists. This merging process continues step by step until one fully sorted list is obtained. In a sequential merge sort algorithm, all these operations are performed one after another using a single processor. In contrast, the parallel merge sort algorithm performs sorting and merging operations simultaneously using multiple processors, which improves performance and reduces execution time. There are different approaches used in parallel merge sort, such as Approach 1, Quick Merge Sort. Approach 2, Odd Even Merge Sort. Approach 3, Bitonic Merge Sort. And Approach 4, Parallel Merge Sort with Load Balancing. These approaches efficiently utilize parallel processing to sort large datasets faster. This is the sequential merge sort algorithm. If the right index is greater than the left index, the array is divided into two halves using the mid value. First, the left half is sorted, then the right half is sorted recursively. Finally, both sorted halves are merged to get a fully sorted array. This diagram shows how merge sort works step by step. First, the given array is divided into two halves. Each half is again divided until we get individual elements. Then, the elements are compared and merged in sorted order. Small sorted lists are combined to form bigger sorted lists. Finally, all the sublists are merged to obtain one completely sorted array. The time complexity of merge sort is O, n log n, in all cases. The space complexity is O, n, which means it requires linear extra memory. The key idea in designing parallel algorithms is to identify steps that can run simultaneously. By analyzing a sequential algorithm, we find operations that can be executed at the same time using multiple processors. The input data is divided and assigned to different processors like P0, P1, P2, and so on. Each processor works in parallel to sort its assigned part of the data. After sorting, the results are merged step by step in parallel until one processor produces the final sorted output. This shows how parallel processing reduces overall sorting time. In parallel merge sort, merging starts from the bottom of the tree and moves upward. After the list is divided into individual elements, processors are assigned to merge small sublists in parallel. First, multiple processors merge pairs of elements, then fewer processors merge larger sorted sublists. Finally, one processor merges the two sorted halves to produce the complete sorted list. At each level of the tree, processors work simultaneously. Quick merge sort is a parallel sorting technique that combines ideas from quick sort and merge sort. The data is divided into smaller parts, and these parts are sorted simultaneously using multiple processors. After sorting, the results are merged efficiently to produce the final sorted list. This approach improves speed by exploiting parallelism. In quick merge sort, a list of 4,000 elements is divided into smaller parts using 8 processors. The list is split until we get 8 partitions, each containing 500 elements. Each sublist is then sorted using a fast sequential algorithm, quick sort. Finally, the sorted sublists are merged recursively, moving up the tree, to obtain one fully sorted list. The sequential quick sort algorithm runs in O, n log n, time, and the merging process takes O, log n, steps. Therefore, The total time complexity is big O of log n square. The space complexity is O, n. Odd, even merge sort is a parallel sorting technique based on the recursive use of the odd, even merge algorithm. It merges sorted sublists in a bottom-up manner, starting from size 2 and gradually forming larger sorted lists until the final list is obtained. The algorithm works in two alternating phases. In the even phase, even-numbered processes exchange values with their right neighbor. In the odd phase, odd-numbered processes exchange values with their right neighbor. In this algorithm, the even and odd elements of the input lists are separated first. The even elements of both lists are recursively merged to form list C. Similarly, the odd elements are recursively merged to form list D. Next, lists C and D are interleaved. Finally, adjacent unordered elements are rearranged using minimum and maximum operations to obtain the sorted array. In the above example, the even and odd elements of the input lists are separated first. The even elements of both lists are recursively merged. Similarly, the odd elements are recursively merged to form list. Finally, adjacent unordered elements are rearranged using minimum and maximum operations to obtain the sorted array. There are log n steps, each taking O log n time, so the total time complexity is O log square n. The space complexity is O n. Bytonic merge sort sorts a list by first forming a bytonic sequence, a sequence that increases and then decreases, or vice versa, and then merging it into a sorted sequence using compare and swap operations. We start with the unsorted list 9, 12, 15, 17, 11, 8, 6, 3. Merge sort divides the list into smaller parts until each number stands alone. These parts are then merged back together in order by comparing values. Step by step, the numbers are sorted. The final result is 3, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12, 15, 17. First, adjacent values are paired to form increasing and decreasing sequences. Each pair becomes a small bytonic sequence. These sequences are then merged into larger bytonic sequences. Finally, the last bytonic sequence is sorted to produce the fully sorted list. Parallel merge sort divides data across multiple processors. Load balancing ensures each processor handles an equal amount of work. This improves efficiency and speeds up the sorting process. Each processor first sorts its portion of the data locally. Over several iterations, processors exchange boundary values and histograms. Data is redistributed evenly to balance the load. Each processor then merges the received elements into a new sorted list. This continues until the final sorted result is achieved.